In this video I will show you how to test your Java code and run some little statements and structures in Java without creating classes or saving files or using an editor. Just you have to run your command prompt and type JShell. It's the Java shell which will run our commands. So first we can show help. We have all the help here. All you can do, or you can type simply some Java statements. For example, we can print hello. You don't have to put semicolon at the end, and here you have the results. You can declare a variable and put some data. Here we have x contains 45. Now we can display it by system.out.println or simply type the variable. We can make some string operations. Okay. And we can run some function. Here we have the length of the Java variable, it's 4, and JShell will create for you a variable called $5. You can use it, it's an implicit variable. So we can also display the second character. Okay. Some biggie. Okay. The second variable is a in Java, and so on. We can create some statements. So condition, if let's say if x more than 10, we will print. For example, here you have to use system.out.println, don't use the shell syntax. Println, we can say big and put semicolon. We can make a return. To continue with else, you must type in the same line and open the mustache, else system.out println little, and you can close the block. Now we have the result. Because x is 45, so it's greater than 10, and we have the result is big. We can make loops. So we'll repeat 10 times let's say s plus e. So s is not initialized, or I will verify. So okay. S, it was our string which contained Java, and now we'll concatenate all the numbers from 0 to 9. So we have this result. So is it? We can play with dates. D equal new date. Okay, we have a variable d which contains date. So the question is, which packages are imported by default? Just we type /imports and we can see all these packages are imported by default. So you can see date, which is in Java util, that we can use. So we can use some math, some stream operation, some network, some new file, some threading, functional programming, preferences, regular expression, and stream operation by default. But we can import other, so like java.sql. So the only problem is the class date, which is present in Java util and Java SQL. We can say Java x.swing. So what we have imports now, it's all which is mentioned plus Java SQL and Java X swing that we can use for creations. Now we can see all our variables available. So we have our variable which are declared by us, and some implicit variable 5, which contain some value we have calculated. So the length of s before concatenation, 6 what was the second character, and date not active because we have a conflict between Java SQL and Java util. So I can do like this to remove the conflict. We use fully qualified name, and here we are. So we can show all variables, and here we have a date. So here you don't have to create classes, neither files, neither. So you type a command which you want to know what it does, how it works, just to make some practices or some very quick tests. Now we can also create method. So I will create a function which make the sum of two integer to be okay, and we have to return okay plus b, and that's all. Created method. Now we can do sum 40 and 8, and here we are. So function work as we want. So we can imagine some nested constructs. sum x $5, which is $4.5. So it's 45 plus 4, which is 49. And finally, we can quit by /exit. That's all. Goodbye.